Alright, second analysis for the day, Forex market. Here we go. We got the euro dollar here, which we believe is on its way back south, probably to meet 1745 and possibly beyond. Now, yesterday we promoted our bullish conviction on the dollar Swiss. Right, I'm sure you remember that, and that's also we know the euro dollar and the dollar Swiss, the dollar versus the Swiss franc are very highly correlated. It's just inverse correlation, right? One goes up, the other goes down. So this is just another angle that supports this bearish conviction, right? Just having that clear, basically just to have things in line, between our convictions and positions. So here, guys, euro dollar, we just talked about the dollar index having a bullish conviction on that situation. Here we see clearly price breaking below 1857 here in a big way yesterday. Right? Yesterday price was on the upside, started the day with a lot of bullish, positive momentum, and that point just dropped, left that big spike, and ended up negatively. Now, if we take again, this is the same kind of consolidation phase we just saw on the dollar index, right? It's really the same trading range. I mean, even time-wise, it's the same time. It has the same timetable. Take a look. The beginning here, the end of July. The end of July, the beginning of August, ever since then, just trading sideways. We saw the same kind of movement, the same kind of behavior with the dollar index, only there it came from the move came from above. And the dollar index was effectively was bottoming out. Here, we're topping out, right? This is a very consistent move. By the way, same timetable again from March. Big move on the upside. Right, so that's effectively like a mirror image, 1-to-1, I would say, almost. But again, I want to show you this from this angle. It's also, I think it's important just to see the way price was handling that 118.57 from this angle. Again, from the weekly perspective, it's even bigger, it's even louder. The first couple of weeks ago, the crossover, the official crossover. Right, you can see the close 1835, and then last week was a big one, right? Evidently, price was on the upside some point and failed to break through, failed to cross over. Same with this week, even though it's just we're pretty much in the middle of it. Again, we can see what's going on, right? Just in those three days that we've been trading so far, price had been all over the place, but most importantly, I would say, it was the way that it was spiking that 1857 again. Now, I'm not sure how this week is going to end up, obviously, but this is a big sign that there's a lot of resistance coming from this area, and price is probably heading towards the lower section here, which means pretty much where it came from, just continuing this sideways movement, and then fits the narrative we have on the dollar index and the dollar Swiss, by the way, the dollar versus the Swiss franc. So guys, as long as price remains below, we can see price, coming up a little bit today, early stages of the day, still pushing up a little bit. It's important that this level 1857 is going to hold, right? If it's going to hold, then we should expect price to start and edging downwards, right? With every passing day that price is just moving away from that 1857, we're just going to gain more confidence and possibly engage with a bigger size position. But that's pretty much the story we have for you guys. Euro versus the US dollar, linked to the dollar index in what we've had. With what we've had, it was just a cross analysis across these two. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice trading day, and we'll be back tomorrow to to pick it up right where we left. Cheers.